Applying themes. A theme is a set of predefined layouts that can be used to add a professional touch to your presentations.
By applying theme, you can modify the design of your presentation quickly and effortlessly.
The Design tab in PowerPoint provides a variety of options for designing and formatting a presentation. They include predefined color palettes, fonts, backgrounds, and formatting effects. You can also customize the existing themes or build your own themes. PowerPoint has a number of built-in themes you can choose from. You can change the theme in the presentation by following the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Design tab.
Then locate the themes group.
Step 2. Place your mouse pointer over any of the theme. The design is reflected immediately on your slide, so you can see how it will look if you apply this design theme to your presentation. Click the design theme thumbnail when you find one that suits your needs. The selected theme will be applied to your presentation. You can scroll through the existing themes by clicking on the up or down arrows on the right of the themes shown. Click on the More button to reveal all of the available themes.
Each theme has its own theme elements, color, fonts, and backgrounds.
Changing theme colors. Once you have selected a style of design theme that you like for your PowerPoint presentation, you can change color of the theme from the one that is currently applied by following the given steps. Step 1. Click on Design tab.
Step 2. Click on the More button at the right end of the Variants group and select Colors option from the list.
Place your mouse pointer over the various color schemes shown in the drop-down list. Click the mouse when you find the right color scheme. Changing theme fonts. To change the theme fonts, follow these steps.
Step 1. Click on the Fonts command under the More button of the Variants group in the Design tab of the ribbon.
Step 2. Place your mouse pointer over any of the font. Click the mouse when you have found suitable font family. This font family will be applied to your presentation. Changing theme backgrounds. Just as you were able to change the background on a plain PowerPoint slide, you can do the same while using one of the many themes.
You can also customize the background of individual slides by following these steps. Step 1. Click the Background Styles command under the More button of the Variants group on the Design tab of the ribbon.
Step 2. Place your mouse pointer over any of the background styles. The background style will be reflected on the slide for you to evaluate. Click when you find a background style that you like.